So walk around on a Transalp 750. Okay, so here's the home screen on the Africa Twin. Now if you hit the mode button here on the left handlebar switch, it's going to run you through the standard modes. So it was standard mode, rain mode, gravel mode. You have user and then sport. And then you can see within each letter you have these bars that show you if it's in position 1 through 4, 1 through 3, 1 through 5, or 1 through 2. And then if you were going to do, of course you can build your own user mode, and then they say if you're going to use this off-road, you would want to make your custom user mode to make this thing fully capable off-road, turn off ABS. If you hold the mode button, 1000, 1000, then it'll go into this blinking mode where you can adjust. If you look at the P, you can see it moving, and you adjust that by hitting this toggle here, up and down. Then you can hit the over to go to the next letter there. So now we're in torque selection. Okay, and then if we get out of there, we can go okay. So if you use this button here, you can see the bottom toolbar is changing from 1, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4. And then if you hold this over to the right, 1000, 1000 for 2 seconds, it comes up to your main settings here. So riding mode is going to take you back into that same kind of thing we were just going through, but just in a different screen, going through power and torque and engine brake. So you toggle right, get into it here. You can toggle down, get into quick shift, toggle right, and then you can choose medium, soft, or hard for the quick shift, up and down, up or down. If you hold it back to the left, it'll get you out of that screen. Toggle right. You can set your RPM for where you want your shift lights to come on at. Turn off your self-canceling. We're gonna go back left here, get into display, toggle right. You can choose your brightness, you can choose your background colors. Down to general, so we're going to change your clock, Bluetooth pairing, stuff like that. So that's just a quick run through on how to use these buttons to make this screen work. It's kind of complex at first, but it gets pretty easy after about 10 minutes. That's all I got for you.